From VOA Learning English, this is the Sand Report. Plants have a biological clock that tells them when to roll leaves and introduce seeds. Understanding that clock may help scientists develop crops to feed a growing population in an increasingly warmer world. Experts have said the expected growth in the production of major food crops would not be enough to support the human population by 2015. Rob McClung is a biologist at Dartmouth College in the United States. He says scientists need to create ways to feed the most 10 billion people expected by the middle of 21st century. He says estimates show that the world's food supply will have to increase by about 50 to 60% over the next 35 years to find new ways to increase productivity. Mr. McClung studied the biological clock of plants. He found that different genes in plants affect the clock. His findings were published in the Proceedings of National Academy of Science. Rob McClung said he identified a gene called gigantea in a common species of the field mustard. The plant is related to turnip and other vegetables. The gene speeds up or slows down the rate of development in the plant. That influences genetic traits like resistance to extreme cold and hard zone. Mr. McClung said the hope is to give researchers a molecular tool to produce more crops. He says they might use this information to make a crop that can accept a higher level of salt or grow in a colder climate. Mr. McClung hoped that by working with the plant clock, researchers will be able to develop plants that perform more effectively. For VOA Learning English,